Hey everyone, my name is Lisa and today we're going to be doing a beginner magic circle workout. So these are exercises any beginner can do. So we're going to get started at the top of our mat. We're going to come to your mat, face the front. Your feet are going to be in Pilates stance. Now this is just a fancy word of saying that your heels are together and your toes are apart. So it's how your skeleton lays. So that way in this position, you're able to squeeze your heels, wrap your thighs around your seat, and activate your powerhouse. So if you were to rise up, lift your heels up and squeeze your heels together, you should feel the wrap of your seat and you should feel your glutes engage and lower all the way back down. So this is something that you're going to do throughout the workout so that way you can keep that connection to your center line. When your heels are activated, pretend there's a string going all the way up the center of your body, through the crown of your head and up. And when you pull up on that string, it pulls the crown to the ceiling, pulls your squeezed heels upward, and keeps your powerhouse activated. And lower your heels back down. So let's go ahead and get down. Now you can either do it the Pilates way, or you can do your hands down. So the Pilates way, now if you have any upper back issues, lower back issues, you're going to want to use your hands down. So you cross one foot behind the other. You can keep the box of your arms, or you can lower yourself down to the mat with your hands and come to a seated position. Going to grab your ring, place it just above your knee, using the pad side. Hug it in a little bit. Reach forwards or put your hands on your thighs and roll all the way back down to the mat until your back touches the mat. Place your hands on your stomach. Put your thumbs just below your navel. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, squeeze the ring. Inhale to release. Let's do that a couple more times. Inhale. And exhale, squeeze the ring. Inhale to release. One more time. Deep breath in. Big exhale, squeeze the ring. Inhale to release. Now this next one are the rollbacks. So reach forwards, grab your thighs, tuck your chin, and start to peel up. I know this is a little challenging. Scoop your abs and lift yourself up. Come up to a seated position. Readjust that ring if it moved. Keep your hands on your thighs. Roll all the way back just to your tailbone. And exhale, roll all the way up. Inhale to roll back. Exhale to roll up. Two more. Keep squeezing that ring as you exhale to roll up. Inhale to release. Exhale, squeeze, roll up. Inhale, release as you roll back. Last one. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, release. Now this next one will add a little challenge. Roll all the way back. Go back to your low back and now reach. Now let's do little pulses for 8, 7. Squeeze that ring. 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep your feet grounded. One more. Whew. And roll all the way back up. Roll all the way back down. And grab your ring and place it in between your ankles for the 100. Grab your ring, place it just above your ankles with your knees bent. Hands long by your side. Curl your chin to your chest. Rise up on your shoulder blades. Get in position and begin inhaling. 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like you're watching a little movie on your belly. Pump your arms nice and vigorously and strong. There's a straight line from your shoulders all the way to the tips of your fingers. As you exhale, squeeze the ring. So it's inhale for 5 pumps, and it's exhale for 5 pumps as you squeeze the ring. Keep breathing deep, looking at your belly. Now, if your head gets tired, just put it down and continue pumping your arms. There's nothing wrong with that. And if it gets less tired, just bring it right back up and continue. Keep pumping your arms. Keep squeezing that ring. Keep your spine attached to the mat. Almost there. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lower all the way down. Grab your ring out for the roll up. Roll from side to side with your hips. And grab the ring, your fingertips reaching toward the ceiling and your hands long. The pad is on your palms. Reach your arms to the ears, to the ceiling, nod your chin as you exhale and roll all the way up towards your knees. And inhale, imprinting your spine on the mat as you go down. Arms to ears, chin to chest, head up. Roll up as you exhale and squeeze that ring. Let that help you up. Inhaling back down. Keep reaching your fingers away from you and squeezing the ring as you come up. Reach. Inhaling back down and push those feet into the mat to help ground you. Squeeze into the ring. Roll up. Pull your belly button back toward your spine as you roll all the way back down. Last time. Exhale, squeeze, reach for the knees, push the mat away. Inhale as you roll back down. Straighten your arms overhead, stretch your body apart like a rubber band, and stretch. Bend both your legs and extend your right leg to the sky. And you're going to circle down, around, up, and pause at the top and add 2 squeezes of the ring. 2 squeezes, down, around, and up, all the while pushing your standing leg's foot into the mat, keeping your pelvis nice and still and square. Keep pushing into the mat. Last one, and reverse, down, around, and up. Keep reaching toward the wall to go up. Last one, and change. Bring your left leg up. Now try to reach out to make your circle. If you want to make it harder, extend your right leg straight. Now push that standing leg into the mat to help square your pelvis so it stays nice and still. One more time at the top, reverse. Down, around, and up. 2 squeezes. Each time you come to the top, do 2 squeezes. One more time. Now this time, add 5 squeezes. And lower it all the way down for rolling like a ball. Roll all the way up as you straighten your legs and take one quick stretch forward.